Hello everyone! Kumusta kayong lahat? I miss you all! Sana okay lang kayo. Well, me, I'm not okay. I'm not feeling well. Oo, pero there's something inside me na gustong ipagpatuloy tong gawin. Oo, there's something inside me na kumaga pinupush ako na still, continue. Kahit masama ang pakiramdam mo, go. O kaya andito ako ngayon sa inyong harapan, sa harapan ng inyong mga screens. Kumusta kayo? Ayan, so gagawa na naman tayo ng reaction video, music video reaction. Sorry nga pala no sa mga bago kong subscribers, ilang araw akong hindi gumawa ng reaction, ng music video reaction kasi nga busy tayo. May mga times na napapagod ako because of work, sa mga iniisip ko, ganyan. Pero yes, ngayon ipopost nga natin. O 'di ba? Kahit we're not feeling well, kahit may lagnat tayo, 'di ba? So gagawin pa rin natin 'to. Ayan. And yes, before anything else, I'm Hyvan. And as you can see on your YouTube channels or YouTube account, no? Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-follow sa aking YouTube channel, please do follow me. Just search Hyvan Vlogs. And yes, you may also share my videos, mga kasamahan nyo, and encourage them, sana, to subscribe sa, sa video ko. And yun na nga, this time, no, we are going to make a reaction video on YGIG. Ayan. So, gagawa natin ng MV reaction ang YGIG with their visualizer Perfect Blue. Sa pagkakaalam ko, actually, 5 ata sila or 6 ba before. Tapos ngayon naging naging 4 na lang. Diba? Pero ganun talaga, no? Nangyayari talaga yan sa mga girl groups. May umaalis, may bumabalik, diba? Pero at least we have YGIG still on the running, diba? So, yun. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? I think it's time para simulan na natin ang ating music video reaction. So, let's go! This is YGIG's visualizer entitled, or with their music video entitled Perfect Blue. Ayan, let's go! So cute! Well, I'm mesmerized with her beauty. Ang ganda niya, and her voice is so cute. Unang tingin ako pansin, tumatag sa isipin, pwede ba? I don't wanna be just friends. Napapatitig sa iyo, inanais ang patingin mo. You might be. Mga kasi may mga may mga ritual silang ginagawa dito. Diba? Let's call this moment perfect blue. Perfect blue under the sun. Naging kulay blue. Perfect blue. The very shape of you. Perfect blue, just us two. You know what, guys? I truly appreciate music na may pagka, alam mo yun, that involved summer vibes, diba? Gusto ko, na-appreciate ko yung ganong klaseng hatak or ganong klaseng style ng song. Parang nakaka-chill lang, nakaka-good vibes lang. Hot girl emergency. Sa init, sa bilis na takbo ng panahon, tanging alaala ang baon. You blue, you filling up the space across the waves wherever I turn it to gaze. I know this love just for the summer. I'm hoping the sunshine until December. Yun nga, I love the idea yung mga ginagawa nila dito to, alam mo yun, parang I think meron silang gustong mangyari dito, and they are doing this ritual to manifest whatever they want to happen, and it's so fun to watch. And regarding with the music video, I don't have a problem kasi I think hindi ito yung nila, visualizer lang kasi to. So I think I think pwede nating i-expect na may ibang music video. Siyempre, Perfect Blue pa rin ang title, no? Siguro ano lang to, pampahatak din ng mga audience, ng mga bagong fan ng YGIG. Wow. So cute. Okay. They're sexy, they're beautiful, they are pretty, and I like their voice talaga. Super cute, yung nga sabi ko kanina. And also, nakikita ko sa not comparing ha, parang sila yung next na sis-star ng South Korean group. 'Di ba? I know you know sis-star. So parang nakikita ko sa kanila yung sis-star.
I remember this perfect blue. Tinig ng tangkatang, sigaw ng puso ko.
Oh no.
Hiling ng matama, pwede ba? Nais kong malaman mo ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Every time I think of you, I remember.
Move on na lang. Parang the message, ewan ko lang for me, like if there is something that you want or you are wishing for yourself to happen and then unfortunately hindi siya nangyari, I think it's just okay to feel that way. I mean, it's just okay to feel sad kasi gano'n naman talaga, nangyayari naman din talaga yan. And yan yung nakita ko, that is what I clearly see here in their music video. Like, you still need to cheer up yourself and just dance for it, diba? Dance with it, diba? Sorry about that. Yes. It's just fun to watch lang talaga, and you know the choreography of every P-pop talagang dapat nating i-appreciate kasi para sa akin no, I never expected that P-pop groups could, dance yung bang may synchronization sa choreography nila. I'm not saying sa mga old P-pop group natin before ha, pero ito kasi syempre well-trained sila eh. Syempre under din yan sila ng mga South Korean company, 'di ba? So bongga kasi nakikita mo yung mga synchronization ng mga dance moves nila, ng mga choreography nila, and it's so great to watch talaga. Ang saya. Yes, girls. The end. Yay! Thank you so much. Perfect Blue by wait lang. So ayun, Perfect Blue by YGIG. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Kaproblema lang dito ako. So yun, all in all, yes, napapasayaw lang ako. 'Di ba? Nakikita niyo naman parang nakikisayaw ako sa nila, sa music nila because I'm having fun, And with the music video, yun na nga sabi ko sa quality ng music video, okay lang yun. 'Di ba? Kung ine-expect natin na something big, na something like HD talaga, ganon. Well, mangyayari man yan. Siguro may certain things lang na kailangan nilang i-consider sa music video nila and we have to accept that. Siguro yung ina-expect natin na sobrang bongga na music video, ganyan, yung quality, siguro sa susunod na yun. And I believe that is going to happen for this group, YGIG. So, yun. Nag-enjoy lang naman ako sa kanila. And, sorry, hindi ko na-research their names one by one. Kaya naman, to all of my subscribers and future new subscribers, if you're gonna watch this video, please comment down their names para naman ma-appreciate natin ang mga girls. So, yun. And with the message, kaya pala siya Perfect Blue ha. Sa akin lang ha. Di ba, sometimes blue, not just sometimes, but always, blue represents, sometimes, blue represents sadness, di ba? And yun na nga, sabi ko kanina, it's okay if you're sad, it's okay if if you felt disappointed, kung hindi nangyari yung gusto mo mangyari, with all the prayers and rituals you've done, syempre may mga bagay kasi talaga na delay, and it's okay. And you gotta embrace yourself with that perfect blue that you gonna feel right at that moment. O, diba? Perfect lang talaga. And that is what I have seen here in this music video. So yes, thank you so much YGIG for that very wonderful song, for that very inspiring music video. Yes, thank you. Yun na nga, with your music video entitled Perfect Blue. I hope everyone will get inspired by these girls because they have huge potential. So let us support our P-pop groups, our new P-pop groups, our yung sinasabi nilang rising P-pop. Let's take them to the next level or bring them to the next level. Supportahan natin. Kasi who knows, diba? Ngayon pa lang, kasi nagra-rise, ngayon pa nga lang, diba, nagra-rise na yung ating mga P-pop groups. So, let's support them. So, yun lang. Paano ba yan? Maraming salamat sa panonood sa ating MV music video reaction with, of course, with yours truly, Hyvan Vlogs. Sa mga, for my future subscribers, please don't forget to follow my YouTube or to subscribe on my YouTube channels. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ingat tayong lahat and God bless. Bye!